Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Simply sit down or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes, take a slow breath, and let's begin this journey together. Allow your body to settle, let your shoulders soften, let your hands rest, let your whole body become still. Imagine that you are standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. The air is fresh, the sky is golden, a gentle path stretches before you. You begin to walk. With every step, you feel lighter, calmer, more peaceful. Soon you notice something unusual. In the distance stands a magnificent tree, unlike any tree you have ever seen. Its leaves glow softly, its branches reach toward the sky, and beneath it sits an old traveler. He looks peaceful, as if he understands every secret of life. You slowly approach him. The traveler smiles and points toward the tree. Carefully, he says. You look up and notice hundreds of leaves. Each leaf is different. Some are bright, some are fading, some are just beginning to grow. What do they mean, you ask? The traveler smiles again. Each leaf is a dream. You continue looking. Some dreams have become reality. Some are still growing. Some have fallen away, just like life. Then the traveler asks you a question. Which leaf are you? You become silent. For a moment, you simply observe. Then you notice a small leaf, not the biggest, not the brightest, but alive, growing, moving gently in the wind. The traveler nods. Most people spend their lives wishing they were another leaf. They compare, they worry, they doubt, they rush. But the tree never compares one leaf to another. Each leaf grows at its own pace. You look at the tree once more, and suddenly you understand. Your journey is your own. Your timing is your own. Your path is your own. The traveler stands and places a glowing seed in your hand. This is your future. It already exists, but it needs patience. It needs trust. It needs time. You hold the seed carefully, feeling its warmth, feeling its possibility. Then the traveler speaks one final time. The strongest trees are not the fastest growing. They are the ones that keep growing, slowly, steadily, faithfully. The wind becomes softer, the forest becomes quieter, and the traveler slowly fades away. But the seed remains, safe in your hand. A reminder that your life is unfolding exactly as it should. You begin walking back along the path, carrying peace, carrying trust, carrying hope. And as you leave the forest, you realize something. You do not need to become someone else. You only need to become more of yourself. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel the space around you. Gently move your fingers. Feel your presence in this moment. Remember, the tree never rushed, the leaf never compared, the seed never doubted, and yet all of them grew. Trust your journey, trust your timing, trust yourself. If you enjoyed this journey, please like this video and subscribe to Guided Meditation Voyage for more meditation adventures. Now gently open your eyes. Namaste.